The United States of America is known around the world as the land of opportunity, which is why people from all over the world show up at their shores to live the American dream, thus making the country a melting pot of different cultures, races, and religions. So obviously, when the country caters to people from all over the world, it celebrates all kinds of festivals, ranging from the Mexican Cinco de Mayo to the Chinese New Year and from the German Oktoberfest to the Indian festival of Diwali. But there are some festivals that are celebrated in the US that are truly American and have been celebrated by the people for a long time. Today we dive deep into the American culture and discover some of the most important festivals celebrated in the USA. Let's start off with a festival that is known more by the date it is celebrated on than the actual name of the festival. Yes, we are talking about the American Independence Day, better known as the 4th of July. On this date in the year 1776, the Declaration of Independence was adopted and the country was finally freed from the rule of British monarch King George III. अब 4th of July के फायरवर्क्स के बारे में भी तो आपने सुना ही होगा। ये फायरवर्क्स अलग अलग जगहों पर देखने को मिलते हैं, मगर ब्रिस्टल, रोड आइलैंड की आतिशबाजी कुछ खास है क्योंकि ये सेलिब्रेशंस एक स्पेशल इवेंट की तरह करीब 230 साल से चले आ रहे हैं। इन फायरवर्क्स के साथ साथ पेट्रियोटिक गाने भी गाए जाते हैं, जैसे स्टार स्पैंगल्ड बैनर, गॉड ब्लेस अमेरिका और दिस लैंड इज योर लैंड। Of course, there are 4th of July parades held all across the country, but the most notable one is held in Washington DC, and it features musical bands, military displays, and celebrity participants too. Like most major American festivals, the occasion of Independence Day may be national, but the celebrations are personal. Families get together for picnics and barbecues where people get together, eat and make merry, and everywhere the eye goes, you can only see the colors of the American flag, red, white and blue. जुलाई से सीधा आते हैं अक्टूबर के महीने में और देखते हैं एक ऐसा डरावना फेस्टिवल जो ना तो रिलीजियस है, ना ही अमेरिका के इतिहास का हिस्सा है, मगर वहाँ के सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फेस्टिवल्स में से एक है। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ हैलोवीन की। हर साल अक्टूबर 31 को मनाया जाने वाला ये फेस्टिवल दरअसल उन क्रिश्चियन सेंट्स को और लोगों को याद रखने के लिए सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है जो अब हमारे बीच नहीं रहे। An evening to remember the departed saints or Hallows. All Hallows evening eventually became Halloween. Halloween is a festival where people dress up in various costumes which range from spooky, funny to totally ridiculous. Since the festival is about death and departed people, initially people wore spooky costumes, but over the years, different kinds of costumes have become part of the festival. For the kids, it is that wonderful time of the year where they dress up and go around to all the houses in the neighborhood and announce trick or treat. The residents can either give them treats in the form of candies and chocolates, or they can trick them by playing some mischief on them. Another visual that you can see during Halloween is the jack-o'-lantern. Any big vegetable, usually a pumpkin, which is emptied and scary faces are carved on them. These were originally intended to ward off evil spirits.
अक्टूबर के बाद अब बारी है नवंबर की और इस महीने के 4th थर्सडे को मनाया जाता है थैंक्सगिविंग। कहा जाता है कि 1600s में मेफ्लावर नाम की शिप पर कुछ इंग्लिश पिलग्रिम फैमिलीज अमेरिका आए थे और उन्होंने वहाँ के वैम्पनॉग नाम के नेटिव अमेरिकन ट्राइब से दोस्ती की और उनसे हंटिंग और एग्रीकल्चर सीखा। और 1620 में पिलग्रिम्स ने जब काफी फिश, मीट और अनाज कलेक्ट कर लिया था तो उन्होंने वैम्पनॉग ट्राइब को दावत पर बुलाया और साथ बैठकर 3 दिन के एक फीस्ट का मजा लिया।
With time, Thanksgiving became a festival about giving thanks and showing gratitude for all the things people were blessed with. Today it is a day of family feasting and giving thanks to God, and nothing signifies Thanksgiving more than the staple preparation of stuffed turkey. And now we come to the last month of the year and to the biggest festival in America. Easter was the resurrection of Christ, but the biggest celebration in America is the birth of Christ, known the world over as Christmas. जैसे दिवाली के वक्त हमारा पूरा देश जगमगा उठता है, वैसे ही क्रिसमस सीजन में पूरा यूएस लाइट्स और सेलिब्रेशन से चमकने लगता है। सब जगह क्रिसमस ट्रीज को लाइट से सजाया जाता है और घर घर में रोस्टेड टर्की और हैम के डिनर्स बनाए जाते हैं। जीसस के जन्मदिन के अवसर पर जगह जगह चर्चेज और घरों में छोटे स्टैचूज और फिगर्स के साथ जीसस के जन्म का दृश्य यानी नेटिविटी सीन रिक्रिएट किया जाता है। But Christmas in the US is not just a religious festival because the day is declared a federal holiday for everybody and people of all faiths celebrate this day, which has become a secular holiday and a social occasion. And for kids, it is the most awaited day of the year as they are hoping for Santa Claus to bring them their favorite gifts. American festivals may have had a religious or historical origin, but today they have a far-reaching appeal, which is why a lot of these festivals are becoming popular and being celebrated all over the world. If you think you know all there is to know about America, then come to Mind Wars and find out how good you are with the quiz on the USA. Want to be the first to know of the videos on the Mind Wars YouTube channel? Hit subscribe and click the bell icon. And remember, knowledge increases when you share it, so like, share and tell your friends about the video.